So here's how to create an Invideo account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Chrome browser and then you have to simply search for the Invideo website. Now to create your account, you have to click on the sign up option at the top right corner or this option in front of this page. Then here at this form you have to put in all of your details. You have to enter your name, email and select your password. You can also sign up using your Google account, and after entering your all of details, now click on the create account option. Once you click on this option, now it will send you a verification email at your email address. You have to simply verify your account in order to create your account on Invideo. After verification, your account will be created. So that's how to create a Invideo account.